art, craft, engineering. Using knowledge, imagination, ideas, and technical skills, we can deliver to the world returns appreciated for their utility, or have the abilities to change the state of presence. But if we're really lucky, at the same time, what if we were able to deliver something that can be recognized as well for its beauty or emotional power? Trained as an engineer, designer, industrial woodworker, and teacher, I made a career using these skills working for a major firearms manufacturer for over 44 years. But during those same years, I found that my own work-life balance came from exploring and pushing the limits which a 40-hour week imposes on us. Everyone knows the saying that we all have the same 24 hours in a day, but the better saying might be, you work 40 hours a week to break even, and every hour you work after that, you work to get ahead. During those same 44 years, I earned a degree in history, became a commercially licensed pilot, studied deeper the crafts of fine woodworking, writing, photography, filmmaking, guitar building, custom gunwork, art, and the art, craft, and philosophy of restorations. In short, this mania has fueled a lifestyle. As I see it, there is a place in this overstressed, overcontrived world to slow down and discover the beauty and emotional power that can come when being engaged in a moment. To be meditative when pushing a sharp tool through a piece of wood, or willing an old masterpiece of earlier human conception back to some former glory, restorative, honoring its creators. Or sitting in the left seat of an airplane, feeling the forces of gravity and air, pulling, twisting, bending, while still knowing that it is all physics and math. At SixRounds, I try and satisfy the dualistic nature of myself by seeking complementary and mutually dependent forces from my art, balancing my need for building things to a tolerance, symmetrical and measurable, while at the same time recognizing how foolish we have all become in our quest for precision and exactness. Finding freedom where the brain discovers its expression through the hands, seeking instead a nuanced use of skills, knowledge, and expressions of craft and art in what we do and what we create. Recognizing precision when it's required, yet art when it can move creation from your brain to your soul. My name is Bill Rodishin, and welcome to my channel.